Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the Windows Hello pin remove button is grayed out in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So till Windows Hello is activated, pin will remain active and you cannot remove it, because if you are thinking that I can log in using facial recognition or my fingerprint or anything, yes, you can remove those, but pin becomes mandatory, because what if the finger recognition or facial recognition does not work? The pin has to work. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sign in options. Scroll down, there's an option here which says for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device, which will disable the password. Turn this off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.